Simple, delicious air-fried jerk chicken for a complete Sunday dinner. If you want to see how, just keep on watching. I want to say welcome to my friends. Welcome to today's video. Today we're in the kitchen again. So please like the video, share the video, and drop me a comment below. And if it's the first time here, guys, please subscribe for more. So we're in the kitchen today, as you see. So I already washed my peas, and we're using red kidney beans or peas, and I'm going to put this to boil with garlic, and then we're going to season our chicken. For this easy air-fried jerk chicken, I'm going to use some boneless chicken thigh, and I have some homemade jerk season, and all the other season that I'll be using will be on the screen, and I'll link them in the description box below. So just keep on watching, friends, and I'll catch you at the end of the video. Since we're doing this in the air fryer, I'm going to put a bit of oil because this is skinless, boneless chicken and I don't want it to stick to the air fryer. So I'm adding a bit of olive oil. And these will be cooked in 15 minutes. The first 10 minutes, you flip, add your barbecue sauce, your jerk barbecue sauce, and then you leave this for 5 minutes, then they're ready. So just continue watching, friends, and I'll catch you at the end of the video. But if it's the first time here, please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. And this channel, I do relaxing music, seasonal music, and now and again I'm in the kitchen. But it's a nice journey here, So I hope you'll join me. So just keep on watching. So now that everything is ready, here is our pretty rice and peas and our air fried jerk chicken, looking so delicious, and it was delicious. And my quick salad, simple, quick. And for sauce, I'm going to use my homemade jerk sauce. So thanks again, friends, for watching. I'm looking forward to replying to your comments, so please drop them below. And also share this with your friends and family. This is a quick and easy one they will definitely enjoy. So thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in another upload.